What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let me take this headband off so y'all can really get the full look of what's going on here. So y'all already know who I'm working with. Again, this is a Braids Queen wig, y'all. Let me get the bag so it's official. Y'all already know this is who we're rocking with. Braids Queen on the wig, braided wigs. You guys, we're no longer sitting for 8 hours to get braids because, I mean, like, how could you pass this up? So right now I'm wearing this new braided style wig. Last time y'all saw me with the brown twist, so y'all know I had to switch it up and go to black. This is a 1B color style, and I kind of just did some crazy wild baby hairs. I mean, not crazy wild, I kind of just laid them down because y'all know these wigs come with baby hairs and they're super soft and easy to work with, so I just lightly laid them down, as y'all will see in the video. One thing I'll say about this wig is it did come a little bit small. It did come with an adjustable strap. I'll show you all of that when I'm installing it. It did come a little bit small though, so I had to kind of work with the size, and you can't really, it's nothing too crazy, but my head is kind of big, so keep that in mind. But other than that, as always, love Braids Queen. Shout out to Braids Queen for sending me these beautiful braided wigs, y'all. I installed this the same exact way as I did last time. I just wanted to come on here and give y'all a little intro, but yeah, y'all already know it's Braids Queen on the braided wigs all 2021. No more sitting for braids, y'all. Braids Queen got us covered. But anyway, before I get to chatting, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install this. Make sure you're following me. Make sure you follow Braids Queen. Everything will be linked down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.